Hi everyone, I'm Chi. I'm 21 years old, and I live in Ha Noi, the capital of Vietnam. This is my fourth video, and today I will share with you what a weekend of a student from the countryside living in the city looks like. More special, I will tell you the story of how my motorbike, which was worth almost $1,000, was stolen, and how I overcame that difficult moment. Today is the weekend, but I woke up quite early. Normally, when I have a day off, I wake up at 9 a.m. But today, I woke up at 7 a.m. and I couldn't sleep anymore. So today, I want to record what a weekend is like for a Vietnamese college student. Every morning, I usually go for a walk in the park. It helps me relax my mind, and it is also good for my health. But today, I came here quite late, so most people had already gone home. Now only I am here. Now, I'm feeling quite hungry, so I'm going to eat breakfast to get some energy for the new day. This is a very popular breakfast in Vietnam. It is called XOI. Compared with other breakfast dishes, many college students like to eat this. First, it is very cheap and easy to eat. Second, it keeps you full for a long time. If you eat noodle dishes, you will feel hungry again much faster. I have finished my breakfast. Next, I'm going to the shop where there is a very cute cat to buy food for today's lunch. I often buy food at this shop because the owner sells everything at a cheap price, and I also like to play with the cat. Today is also the end of the month, so all the food my parents sent from my hometown is gone. So today, I need to buy some vegetables and tofu for lunch. Normally, when I still have food from my parents, I only need to buy some vegetables. In total, I spent $1.70 on today's breakfast and lunch. I think it is quite cheap. With this amount of money, I can eat for one whole day. Because there are 2 people living in my room, I have to cook for both of us. Now, it is only a little after 9 a.m., so I will spend some time working. I really like taking photos and editing videos, so whenever I have free time, I take out my phone and record something. The only sad thing is that this iPhone 11 does not record very clearly anymore. After more than 1 hour of editing my video, it is time for me to cook lunch. First, I will cook the rice. After that, I will cook the dishes. I think most of you watching my videos are from countries like the United States and Australia. So, my way of cooking may be a little different for you. The first dish I will cook is tofu with tomato sauce. This is one of my favorite dishes because it is very delicious and also very cheap. First, I cut the tofu into small pieces. Then I cook it with tomato sauce. It has a sweet and salty taste, and I think everyone can enjoy this dish. Now, I will cook the tomato sauce first. This is the most important step because it decides how delicious this dish will be. After the tomato sauce is ready, I just need to add the tofu. Then I wait for about 2 more minutes and the dish is finished. It is a very delicious meal and it is also very cheap. The second dish I will cook is mustard green soup. This dish is very easy to cook. It is not difficult like some other soups. I just need to wash the vegetables, cut them into small pieces, then boil some water and put the vegetables in. That's all. It is very simple. My lunch is ready now. Now let's have lunch together. After lunch, I will spend a little more time editing my video. Then I will wait until the afternoon to do something else. This afternoon, I am going to take my motorbike to a repair shop. This is an old motorbike that I bought about 3 months ago. It is quite weak now, and it cannot run fast anymore. The reason is that in March, my old motorbike was stolen. I posted about it on social media and reported it to the police, but until now, there is still no news about it. It was really a very big shock for a college student like me who does not have a stable income. After that, I had to borrow some money to buy this old motorbike for $300. I just want to remind you to be more careful when you go outside. This is the motorbike that was stolen from me. Before that, my father took very good care of it, so it was still very new and in good condition. And this is the motorbike I bought in April. When I first got it, it was very old, and I had to repair it many times before it became like this today. After my motorbike was stolen, I felt very sad. Because I am just a student and I have not earned much money yet, Losing such a valuable thing was a very big loss for me. It took me more than 2 weeks to feel better and get my mind back to normal. During that time, I always thought that my motorbike was like a lucky charm. Maybe it was taken away to protect me and save me from something worse. So I tried to stay positive and think in a better way. And now I have returned to my normal life. After my motorbike is repaired, I will go back to my room and do some exercise. I will also show you how I work out to get the body I have now. And this is my dumbbell. I made it from one backpack and 2 1.5-liter water bottles. It is very simple, but it works very well. Because I don't have enough money to go to the gym like other people, I never feel disappointed about it. Instead, I always try to find other things to use and keep training. Many people say that if you don't go to the gym, you can't get good results. But I think that is only an excuse for being lazy. I usually work out for about 30 to 45 minutes. After that, I go to the park to take a walk and play some healthy games with other people there. And that's how I spend my weekend. What do you think? Was it interesting? Please leave a comment and let me know. See you in my next video.